Did you get squeaks? No, this is mommy's. Go put your toy. That one makes a fun noise, doesn't it? Makes lots of noises. Wonder how many squeaks.
Your mom throw it.
Am I supposed to throw this one? That one's dead, baby. We killed it. She wants to know what's wrong with it. She's never killed a squeak before. I'm like, why isn't it working?
That's the orange one at the park.
I know, but she doesn't remember killing it. That one's not working? Did you hurt the squeak? I'm sorry. I can't fix it, Bubby. Jeannie's like, yes, you can, Ashley. I gave you extra squeaks.